We are literally just hours away from Galaxy Unpacked 2026, and now everything is official. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is here, and Samsung didn't hold back this year. Naturally, the first comparison people are making is with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. That's expected. These two always end up in the same ring. But let's focus on what Samsung is actually bringing to the table. First, the display. You're looking at a massive 6.9-inch QHD+14 OLED panel. And if you've used Samsung's latest M-series OLED panels, you already know they're among the best in the industry. On top of that, Samsung continues its anti-reflective coating, which makes outdoor visibility genuinely better. In bright sunlight, this matters more than most people realize. Then there's the big talking point, the privacy display feature. The screen is optimized to maintain full clarity straight on, while reducing visibility from side angles for sensitive content. More protected when you're out in public. It's a subtle feature, but one that actually fits modern smartphone use. Performance-wise, Samsung has packed in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite, Qualcomm's most powerful chip right now. At this level, you're getting top-tier performance, smooth gaming, fast multitasking, stronger AI processing, and better efficiency. Battery stays at 5,000 mAh, which Samsung has trusted for years, but now paired with 60 watts wired charging. That's a noticeable jump in charging speed. And despite all this hardware, the phone weighs just 214 grams. For a 6.9-inch device with a massive battery and quad camera setup, that's surprisingly manageable. It still feels premium and solid without becoming a brick in your pocket. Speaking of cameras, Samsung continues with its quad camera system, led by the 200-megapixel main sensor. Whether it's detail, zoom flexibility, or dynamic range, the Ultra lineup continues to lean heavily into versatility. Apple's triple camera system is extremely refined, but Samsung is clearly pushing that maximum hardware flexibility approach. So here's where things stand. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't trying to reinvent the smartphone, it's refining it. Sharper display, smarter privacy, stronger chipset, faster charging, and balanced weight. At this level, both Samsung and Apple are insanely powerful. The difference now comes down to which experience fits you better. Now that everything is official, the real question is simple. If you're upgrading this year, which side are you leaning toward?